It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, June 2nd. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather trending warmer and drier. In fact, a lot of you will be rain-free for maybe the next 4 or 5 days. How about them apples? Let's take a look at things this morning. We have an upper low north of the state near Nashville, and drier air is circulating around the base of that thing. You can see that clearly in this water vapor channel, and that means any showers today should be very widely spaced and mainly on the eastern side of the state. Starting off the day in the 60s, we'll expect a high in the low to mid-80s today, and kind of cold up north around the Great Lakes. Again this morning, some 30s up there. There is a frost advisory for parts of Michigan and Wisconsin. How'd you like to scrape frost off the windshield on June 2nd? And down here, a dense fog advisory for a pretty good chunk of central Alabama. The fog is dense, especially where the rain came down late yesterday. Marginal risk of severe weather for southeast Alabama today. The primary risk is way up north across the high plains where there's a slight risk. Tomorrow, an enhanced risk where Colorado, Kansas, and Nebraska all come together. A marginal risk for far, far southeast Alabama. And on day 3, again, a slight risk for parts of the western high plains. Marginal risk on the South Atlantic coast, nothing here. And hey, look at this. Rain for the next 5 days. How about nothing for most of the state? That's a rain valid through early Sunday morning. Weather in the tropical Atlantic on the second day of the hurricane season is very quiet. There is vast sinking motion, subsidence across the basin. Active weather over in the eastern Pacific. This is tropical storm Blanca with winds of 50 miles an hour. That'll be a hurricane later today. This thing will likely become a major hurricane on the journey to the northwest. Should start to weaken over the weekend, and that thing could bring some moisture up toward Baja California and maybe, just maybe, the southwest United States in about 5 or 6 days. Model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time. You can see that upper low north of the state, the trough axis a little to the east, and down below that, the better chance of showers and storms will be to the east of Alabama. Here's the high-resolution HERM model late this morning suggesting a few rain showers east of I-65. So if you live in Gadsden or Anniston, you might see a shower today, but the rest of the state should be dry. And by 6 o'clock, all of that is long gone. I think you'll expect a high in the low 80s today. Tomorrow, I think, will be a dry day. Highs up in the middle 80s. Showers off to the east. Same thing Thursday. We'll be in the upper 80s, and Friday we could touch 90 in spots. And this is June in Alabama. Come on, it's supposed to be hot this time of the year. And again, the chance of rain very, very small. And really the same thing for Saturday. I think we can just say mostly sunny. The high close to 90. And then for Sunday, we might introduce just the chance of an afternoon shower, but even then, widespread rain I don't think is going to happen. The high should be around 90. Next week on Monday, moisture increases. The heights come down a tad. We'll bring in the chance of scattered showers and storms. And here's Tuesday of next week, a nice trough north of the state. And again, moisture is pooled up here. So next week, it looks like the rain chances go up a bit Monday and Tuesday with the resumption of the scattered showers and storms. This is the end of the forecast toward the end of next week, Thursday, June 11th. Look at that trough here. Got an upper high over the southwest, a big trough over the east. And if that's right, there could be some rain, especially for the southern half of the state, and maybe cooler temperatures, but it's not really reflected on the ensembles here for the next 15 days. You can see those low 90s in here this weekend and early next week. Lows upper 60s to near 70. Temperatures pretty close to average here for the next 15 days. This is valid June 9th through June 15th. Below average for parts of the nation's heartland in the Midwest. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.